9th standard. He is my friend Suket. My school name is gpuc Navunda. Today I am making a project Smart Door Lock system. In this project we are going to build a fingerprint door lock using Arduino Nano with Bluetooth model, Solenoid Lock and Android smartphone. An Android application is designed which scans and verifies the fingerprint and sends confirmation data to Arduino through Bluetooth serial communication. This system uses a built-in smartphone fingerprint scanner to lock and unlock the door.
Nowadays, electronical control door locks are popular. Traditionally, key-based mechanical door locks are slowly going out of the trend. People of today's world need easy access to control their home appliances and add more security to your home. The IoT trend is gradually increasing. We can see different types of IoT-based smart door locks, RFID-based Master door locks, and password-based security door locks.